Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. My dear student, in the previous lecture, we discussed a simple introduction to a chapter which is acids, bases, and salts. My dear student, and today we are going to study properties of acids and bases and salts. So let's understand them step by step. Properties of acids. My dear student, acids are chemical substances that produce hydrogen ions in H plus an aqueous solution. They have several common physical and chemical properties that help in their identification and behavior and reactions. The first property is taste. Various student acids have a sour taste, e.g., citric acid and lemon juice, acetic acid, and vinegar have sour taste. Also note that various student never taste acids in the laboratory. This is only a theoretical property. And the second property is effect on indicators. Acids change the color of acid base indicators. Blue litmus paper to red, phenolphthalein to colorless, methyl orange to red. And the third one properties is reaction with metals. Various student acids react with active metals like zinc, magnesium, iron, etc. to form salts and hydrogen gas. Reaction zinc plus 2 HCl gas, zinc chloride plus H2 gas mean hydrogen gas. And the fourth properties is reaction with carbonates and bicarbonates. Acids react with carbonates CO3 per minus 2 and bicarbonates HCO3 negative to form carbon dioxide, water, and salt. Reaction 2HCl plus Na2CO3 gas 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas. And the fifth properties is electrical conductivity. Aqueous solutions of acids conduct electricity because they contain mobile ions in H plus and anions. And the sixth one is corrosive nature. Reduced in strong acids such as HCl, H2SO4, and HNO3 are corrosive and can damage skin, fabrics, and metals. Properties of bases. Radial-tuning bases are substances that produce hydroxide ions in OH negative and aqueous solution or accept protons in H plus. The first properties of bases is taste. Radial-tuning bases have a bitter taste and a soapy or slippery feel. Also note that media student never test or touch bases directly in the lab. And the second one properties is effect on indicator. Bases change the color of acid base indicators. Red litmus paper to blue, phenolphthalein to pink, methyl orange to yellow. The third properties of bases as reaction with acids mean neutralization reaction. Bases react with acids to form salt and water. Reaction NaOH plus HCl gave NaCl plus H2O. The fourth one, reaction with ammonium salts. Bases react with ammonium salts and heating to produce ammonia gas, water, and a salt. Reaction 2NH4Cl plus CaN2OH whole taken 2 GAF CaCl2 plus 2NH3 ammonia gas and plus 2H2O. The fifth properties of bases is electrical conductivity. Aqueous solutions of bases conduct electricity because they produce hydroxide ions. And the sixth one is corrosive nature. Strong bases such as NaOH and KOH are caustic, mean corrosive, and can bond skin or fabrics. Now, properties of salts. My dear student, salts are ionic compounds formed by the neutralization reaction between an acid and a basis. The first properties of salts is physical state. Most salts are crystalline solids at room temperature. And the second property is solubility. Some salts are soluble in water, e.g. NaCl and KNO3, while others are insoluble in water, e.g. CaCO3, BaSO4. And third properties of salts is electrical conductivity. Salts conduct electricity when dissolved in water are molten because they produce ions. The fourth properties of salts is taste. Most salts have a salty taste, but some may taste bitter or have no taste. And the fifth one, reaction with acids and bases. Salts can react with strong acids or bases to form new salts, and weak acids or bases, depending on solubility and reactivity. Reaction Na2CO3 plus 2HCl GAF to NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas. My dear student, this is all about today's lecture and properties of acids, bases, and salts. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.